Diving into the past, staring straight into the cryptic, this is the portal to the enigmatic and the unknown. This is where history's shadows, secrets of the occult, and the interweaving secret plots come to the light. Unravel the secrets lying dormant for ages, waiting to whisper their truths. From ancient civilizations' perplexing enigmas to modern-day conspiracies that shake the very foundation of belief, we explore it all. Witness testimonies, expert analyses, and a touch of skepticism. We're not just telling stories, we're seeking answers. Histories, mysteries, and conspiracies, where every mystery is a story, and every story holds a mystery waiting to be solved. Join us. Deep within the jungle of the southern Mexican state of Veracruz, amidst the untamed wilderness of the Tuxtla Mountains, lies the colossal Olmec Heads. The Olmec civilization, one of the earliest known in Mesoamerica, remains shrouded in mystery and grandeur, primarily recognized through the discovery of their colossal stone heads. These artifacts suggest a society of complex social structure and sophisticated artistic capabilities, deeply influential in the region's historical context. These impressive monuments are scattered across Mexico, predominantly found in the states of Veracruz and Tabasco. The heads stand as silent witnesses to the Olmec's former glory, nestled within ancient ruins that pepper these lush landscapes. The journey into unraveling Olmec mysteries deepened when the first colossal head was unearthed in 1862 at Tres Zapotes. This monumental discovery sparked interest and led to further excavations, revealing more heads and insights into this enigmatic civilization. Key sites like San Lorenzo, La Venta, Tres Zapotes, and Rancho La Cobata mark the heartlands of Olmec territory. Each location has yielded numerous artifacts, with the colossal heads being the most striking, providing a glimpse into the artistic and cultural practices of the Olmecs. The colossal heads, carved from single blocks of basalt, are monumental not just in size but in craftsmanship. Weighing several tons and standing several feet high, these heads reflect the remarkable ability of the Olmecs to manipulate formidable materials with the tools of their time. The Olmec heads are believed to have been carved using basic stone tools made from harder stones than the basalt rock from which the heads are crafted. These tools likely included hand-held picks and controlled abrasion techniques to shape the colossal heads. Transporting these massive sculptures remains one of the most intriguing aspects of Olmec engineering. Scholars speculate that the Olmecs might have used large wooden rollers and sledges, along with human or animal power, to move these enormous stones over considerable distances. Artistically, the Olmec heads are renowned for their detailed and distinctive features, which include almond-shaped eyes, flat noses, and thick lips. These stylistic traits not only highlight the skill of Olmec artisans, but also provide insight into the aesthetic preferences of the era. The headgear worn by the figures sculpted into the colossal heads often resembles helmets, suggesting a possible militaristic significance. However, the elaborate adornments could also signify high social or religious status within the Olmec society, underlining the dual interpretations of these artifacts. Debate continues over whether the colossal heads were meant to serve a religious purpose or symbolize political power. The imposing size and prominent placement of the heads suggests they were designed to convey authority and might have been used to legitimize the rule of leaders or gods. The colossal heads of the Olmec civilization have long sparked debate regarding whom they represent. Many scholars believe these imposing sculptures depict rulers of the time, immortalizing their visages in stone to convey their power and legacy to future generations. Others posit that the heads represent deities worshipped by the Olmec. The detailed headgear and facial features might symbolize divine attributes, linking the leaders to gods, thereby legitimizing their rule through divine association, a common practice in ancient cultures. Some theories suggest that the heads are portrayals of esteemed warriors, celebrating their victories and valor. This interpretation aligns with the militaristic elements seen in other Olmec artifacts, suggesting a society that valued martial prowess. Archaeology plays a pivotal role in understanding these enigmatic sculptures. Excavations and studies at sites like San Lorenzo and La Venta provide context that helps interpret the head's significance, whether they serve as religious idols, political symbols, or historic records. Through radiocarbon dating and other scientific techniques, researchers estimate that most of the Olmec heads were carved between 1400 and 900 BCE. These methods are crucial for constructing a timeline of Olmec history and understanding the civilization's artistic evolution. The Olmec civilization, often considered the mother culture of Mesoamerica, profoundly influenced later cultures like the Maya and Aztec. Their artistic styles, urban planning, and religious motifs set foundational precedents that echoed throughout the region's history. Preserving the colossal heads poses significant challenges due to their size and the susceptibility of basalt to weathering. Conservationists employ various techniques to mitigate erosion and damage, ensuring these monumental artifacts withstand the test of time for future generations to study and admire. Museums and archaeological sites across Mexico proudly display the Olmec heads, attracting scholars and tourists alike. These massive sculptures are not only historical relics, but also serve as cultural ambassadors that offer insights into the sophisticated society that created them. Over centuries, the colossal heads have faced natural wear and erosion, which has slowly degraded their detailed features. This deterioration makes studying the Olmec's artistic techniques more difficult, but also underscores the importance of ongoing conservation efforts. The Mexican government, along with international heritage organizations, plays a crucial role in the preservation of these ancient artifacts. Their efforts ensure that the legacy of the Olmec civilization continues to be a point of national pride and historical significance. Theories about the origin and purpose of the colossal Olmec heads continue to ignite scholarly debates. Some experts suggest they were religious icons, intended to appease gods, while others argue they served more as political symbols, commemorating powerful rulers or celebrated warriors from the Olmec society. Despite numerous studies and excavations, the colossal heads of the Olmec civilization retain their enigmatic allure. As enduring relics, they not only offer a glimpse into ancient Mesoamerican life, but also continue to influence and inspire modern appreciation of pre-Columbian history and art. Were these the builders of the Mayan and Aztec civilization, or is there much more to uncover? For more content like this, share and subscribe.